All right, we are here at the Rehabilitation Services Center here at Henry Ford Hospital in Wyandotte, Michigan. Elevators H, or elevator H. ThyssenKrupp, just like a bank. That's where the old indicator used to be. Big elevator. Let's go to 4. MODfusion fixtures, Mad BS classic buttons. Very nice elevator. Let's get a cab view. The chime trick works because LL is locked, otherwise it wouldn't. Great motor. Let's go up to 4. Here we go. Here's your call button, code blue service. Very nice elevator. You can kind of see up the shaft a little bit. All right, let's go before this thing nudges. It's also got the sensor lights as well. Very nice. It's a nice elevator.